Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Akbar Faryansa and my study number is A320240042 and I'm from class B and this is a TOEFL question task 2. Okay, let's get started. Personally, my favorite hobby is basketball. That's bring me joy and valuable life lessons. To be honest, I have to say that one of the main reason I love basketball is because it's an excellent way to relieve stress and stay healthy. I remember when I had a particularly stressful week during final exams. For instance, after spending hours studying, I went to the court near my house and I played basketball for just 30 minutes. The physical activity and focus required completely cleared my mind and and I returned home feeling refreshed. So that's why my favorite hobby is basketball. It's much more than just a game. It keeps me physically healthy, mentally strong, and teach me about teamwork as a team. Next question. Okay. To be honest, I have to say that the student cafeteria is my absolutely favorite spot on campus. And personally, I believe that its significance lies in its roles as a social hub where I can connect with my friends and unwind. I remember when I first started university, I felt a bit lonely. For example, I started having lunch regularly at the cafeteria, and that's where I met my friend while we are both aligned for a class. Now it's our daily ritual to meet there, share stories, and the stress from our classes. On top of that, beyond its social function, it's also a place where I get to experience the campus diverse culture. As you can see, the cafeteria is much more than a place to eat for me. To make a long short story, its significance comes from being the heart of my social life and window to different culture, making it my favorite campus spot. Next question. Personally, I feel that social media has had a profoundly dual impact on the way we communicate, creating both positive connection and significant challenge. To be honest, I have to say that one of its biggest positive effects is how it demolishes geographical barriers. For example, I once sent a joking text to a classmate in group chat, and because like my tone of voice and facial experience, they took it seriously and were offended. I will never forget that when we had a small argument because of that simple misunderstanding, something that likely wouldn't have happened in a face-to-face conversation. So to sum up, while as social media is powerful tool for maintaining long distance bonds, it can also with the nuance and depth of our personal interaction. That's why I believe its effects on communication are a complex mix of good and bad. And last question. Okay. Personally, I strongly believe that maintaining a healthy lifestyle is one of the most impactful choices a person can make, with benefit extending far beyond just a physical appearance. To be honest, I have to say that the most immediate benefit I've experienced is a dramatic boost in both my physical energy and long-term health. For example, I remember when I used to feel constantly tired and sluggish, especially in the afternoon after class. I will never forget when I started incorporating regular jogging and eating more whole foods into my routine. Within 4 weeks, my stamina increased significantly. I no longer felt that afternoon slump was able to through my day with much more vitality. In conclusion, the advantages of a healthy routine are undeniable, so that's why I'm a strong advocate for it. Not only strengthens your body, it's but also build mental resilience, creating a foundation for a more productive and fulfilling life. Well, that's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.